What's going on, lovely people? This your boy Eddie Versatile Keys. I'm coming back at you again with another video. So what we're gonna do today, I'm just gonna walk you through on how I create, some of my worship presets and everything when I'm doing like some CCM music, what I mean, from elevation worship to Maverick City even to Hillsong, all those type of sounds. And let's just go ahead and dive into it. All right. So what do I use? I use Kontakt, of course, the Maverick. Well, Maverick City, go figure. All right, so I use the Maverick, the levitating preset. Let me let you guys hear what that sounds like. Very, very beautiful. For the pad, I'm using a pad called Bogart, and this sounds like this. Very, very, very beautiful pad. I'm mainly using this one for tone, so that's why when you blend it with the piano, it just it gives it that warmth. Very, very beautiful. And then after that, you'll get like a, whatever pad that you like. I'm using a stock Emu pad. That's what's in Studio One. It's just creates that. Oh man. Wow. Just creating like an atmosphere almost. You know what I mean? You create the atmosphere, you're setting the tone, setting the mood. Even if you just want to, make some meditation worship type sounds, it's just let it sit. So you can really, really create a wonderful atmosphere with these type of sounds. So if you guys want me to do just a stock version, what I mean, say if you are not fortunate right now to have the Kontakt libraries or whatever, just let me know. I can do a stock version as well. You can still get the same results. All right. We'll talk soon. Later.